It's Juvenis.
We don't get 2 events. And for constituency 2, we don't get one earlier before we go constituency 1. So we're back now to constituency 2. Not be so? The message when I deliver there is just as good for this place too. Now worry with the here, so all of them know how worry be before. The worry of today is worse than the worry of 8 years ago. My own brother, Governor Oduwaha, we believe say I worry boy and I will bring on government. Therefore, if nothing else, worry na your own. Not be so? Yes. As we consider worry to be our own. But 8 years after, it disappoints us. Not be so? He fall our hand. As he fall our hand, Okowa take over. When Okowa sees say he fall our hand, I will not do him anything. Now Okowa say, sure. Make I just kill him. Make I just kill worry finally. Let me with this so. And as he don't kill worry for us finish, as in they go, he say we will kill worry even further. He say we won't bury worry finally. Now he won't go bring him boy. Now with this same boy, now 2 of them, like they punish us since. That be so? So under Okowa regime, when he be governor and Sheriff be speaker, between 2 of them, we don't receive a total of 4.2 trillion naira. 400 billion naira join them. On top of that one, Buhari can say, He be like say, he gets on shortfall of derivation money since 1999. He can calculate them. 260 billion naira. See me they pay Delta. Okowa take the 260 billion, he hide that for a pocket. We don't even know self. We don't even know say Buhari give us any money. Even me when I be deputy president, I don't even know because the man hide the thing well. Now when our brother Wike, our brother governor of River State, come confess, he say, ha, all these things when they do for River so, when they build flyover everywhere so, he say his conscience, the prick he must talk through. Say now Buhari now release money to Ramo. Say the money when the Buhari release to Ram, now he do flyover 1, flyover 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And he said 2 go so ready. He can say, ah. Not even me. Now he give money to. Yes, sir. Buhari give to Delta too. He give to Bayelsa. He give to Akwa Ibom. He give Edo. He give all the states. So maybe we go ask our governor what did he use our money do. We don't go ask Okowa. Okowa say money not come. He say area. He say area. Money not there. We can't look for the money, look for money. We can't find out say the money he hide out for one bank when he just build, when he just get now. Where we name on the bank? Premium Trust Bank. He did for airport road. Okowa. He did PBS road for Sabatu. And yes, so Okowa, when he never get any work for his life. Since he leaves school as a medical doctor, first he become counselor. We know how much they pay chancellor, not be so? That's so. From there, he become council chairman. We know how much they pay council chairman, not be so? That's so. From council chairman, he become commissioner. We know how much they pay commissioner. Not be plenty money. Me myself, I be commissioner before. I know. That's so. From there, he become SSG. Even SSG said he pay lower in terms of salary. He pay lower than commissioner. I know how much they pay SSG. Me myself, I be SSG before. From there, he become senator. Me myself, I be senator. I know how much they pay senator. Not be big money. From there, he become governor. The man never hold any other job for his life since they born him. But today, he don't go get bank and he paid 25 billion naira to get the banking license. When we come to wonder where he forget money take buy bank, now we come find out say that 260 billion wey Buhari give us, the man don Colombian, don go hide am for the bank. Okowole! Not be me talk that one o. So at least out of the 260 billion, he don't use 25 billion to buy bank for himself. At least the balance make it give him back to us, abi? If you look the total money when they come Delta since he become governor, 4.2 trillion plus this 260 billion.
Plus the 400 billion when he borrowed.
If Okowa put 100 billion naira for Warri alone,
the Warri go change.
100 billion. We're not going to change.
You look like Dubai.
We're not going to change.
You look like Dubai.
See our stadium here. See our stadium here. In a state of decay, in a state of rot. But because the stadium and Warri is there, you know the man don't like Warri people. The man don't like us here at all. The man hates Yoruba people. He hates Ijaw people. He hates Shekiri people. He hates Isoko people. He hates Ndokwa people. He hates Anyacha Oshimili people. He even hates Agbo people. Only Owa-Agege. Even Umunede people, he hates them. Akumazi people, he hates them. The only Utoku and Utoku. He hates them too. The only family for Owa-Agege that you like. We do the man anything? No. Out of 4.2 trillion to even repair stadium for us, you don't agree. Out of 4.2 trillion, see the state of our roads. Warri has become the keke capital of the world.
So sad.
Out of 4.2 trillion, look around. You go see any development for here. Is there any development so far become governor for this part of the state where they up to 200 million? No. We don't get roads. We don't get light. Our hospital, you don't bury them. It be like saying na consultation clinic now. That be now. One day, he put one for Owa-Agege. He put another one for Asaba. He put another one for Ozoro. The whole of Uroboland. The whole of Ijaw land, the whole of Ishekiri land,
nothing for them.
The whole of Ndokwa land, nothing. That one good? No. And the most painful part of him, he has an accomplice, a stooge, a man when he hold gavel. When Okowa say jump, he go ask say how high should I jump?
That's so. Now boy be.
As the man they command sheriff, make sheriff approve 3 universities in one day, and none dey Uroboland, none dey Ijaw land, none dey Ndokwa land, none dey just name it, Okpeland. Even your own local government, nothing dey there. Urobotaka say it's a bit to born food, when you born tree, you born on the land. That? What did you do with that? And now today, that man when he used to punish us, he said make the man come become governor.
For which state?
Which means, as we dey suffer here today, as we don't suffer for 8 years under Okowa, he won't give on another suffering for another 8 years. And the one they pay me pass. We still get people when they were leaders before. All of them know say Okowa is a bad man. They know say Okowa is a traitor. They know Okowa is a Judas Iscariot. All of them know. Una know an adeptor. Eh?
Na so.
As all of my day, so hope I know some of my detectors. And another one.
Okowa don put on everybody content.
That 400 billion when Okowa and Sheriff take so. Now they owe debt too.
Na so.
Hope I know.
Na so.
Now they owe 400 billion. Even our children say they owe 400 billion.
Even the one they never born.
Even the one they never born, they also they owe 400 billion. Before Udwana, when Udwana they come out that time, Udwana owe 17 billion. Now we come to say waiting a whole state or a producing state when we get money past anybody. How Udwana go make sure say we come get debt of 17 billion. Everybody they holler at that. Not be so. But when the co-op come, he say Udwana na kindergarten. He said that it's not one they work. From 17 billion debt, it don't go 400 billion naira debt. And it is still ongoing. I know why? Because he want to finance an ill-fated vice presidential ambition. And then I want one ambition when God don't declare dead on arrival.
Na so.
Because now God might put this country together, Nigeria. And all of us for this country, God knows say we know they speak the same language. We know say we not be of the same religion. In fact, the different ethnic groups in this country, they pass 400.
That's so.
Not be so?
That's so.
Because of that one, God say He go do make there will be fairness, there will be justice, there will be equity. So if president come from north, the vice president will come from south. After 8 years, the president will come south, the vice president will go north. Now, I'm a proud supporter of Buhari. I don't hide my own. I don't stand behind them for 8 years. He's about to go now. After Buhari, who is from the north, don't do it in 8 years. Power is supposed to come south. Not be so?
That's so.
Even Buhari himself tell us, say not will support anybody from north to become president after him. Say the next president must come from south. Meanwhile, all the governors of northern Nigeria of APC extraction, they get 19 governors from north. Abi? Actually, 18 plus FCT, am I right? Okay, all of them, apart from the lone PDP one, come together and say the next president must come from south. Then all the governors of southern Nigeria, all south, southeast, southwest, PDP, APC, APGA, they all came together. Say the next president
Must come from the south.
Guess where they will hold the meeting?
Asaba,
government house. Oko and I hold them. When they bring their come, he feed them. After they chop, he give them drink, champagne. They drink. When they finish, they sign the communique. Oko himself, now read them. If you look the way they come, they happy. When they don't chop finish, they don't drink finish. All they believe say yes. President they call me Southern Nigeria. If you now look at, you resemble the Last Supper for Bible. Now remember that Last Supper? That's how it be for government house. But just like Judas for there, quickly betray Jesus. As soon as they chop finish, they drink finish, they sign agreement finish. Okowa don't hide. He had go back, he go call Atiku say, now you then we want to, we will support you, but you must make me vice president. And here so, how much money you want? All the money you go to do the election, I go bring them. I go bring all the money from Delta. Then they borrow money every day on top of our head. That one good?
No.
What did happen to Judah for Bible?
He commit suicide.
He commit suicide?
Yes, so.
This man must also commit suicide.
That's so confirmed.
If he not be commit suicide, we know what to do to him. 2 months from now, election they come. We go make sure say he failed that the vice presidential election. That's the only way you can punish him. That's the only way you can punish him. If as governor he punish us like this, how much more would he punish become vice president? He will kill all of us. That is so. So, on the day of the election, when I go come out, When I go come out, when I go vote our son-in-law, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You know, say your son-in-law is also your son, not the same. So Tinubu is a Delta. Tinubu's wife is my colleague, my friend, and our sister, a fellow Delta. Not so? So when Tinubu become president, that Delta state I get president. When I want to leave president, go take vice president. Very good. So we vote for Tinubu to become president. And when I vote for Tinubu to become president, all the problems we will get here today, our youth will not get work. Our children will not get work. All of that will be addressed. Because he already promised me. Tinubu promised me. You know that when he come do rally here, he promised me. Say if he win, he promised me, he will help us, he will dredge the escargot bar, and the Warri port will begin work again. The two port will begin work again. The cocoa port will begin work again. But in addition to that, all these oil companies, when PDP drive come out, from here so, all that they'll come back again. Chicken they protect you. So therefore, on that day, our people now, they're gonna vote for Joel. Now Isoko saw na be. Isoko people don't Christian na go. He just said they don't already do 8 years. He just said that don't do 24 years. So make it go Joel Onobako Isoko. Even the Shekiri people. Yes, so they say, especially the enlightened Shekiri. The enlightened Shekiri people say they won't make go Onobako go. Say they're ready to wait 8 years. So after 8 years, they go send their first 11, their best, go Senate. So they will vote Onobako for Senate. But for House of Rep, in Shekiri, they presented their first 11. Yes, like that. Onanoam. He never go there. He never go National Assembly. He don't use his own money to establish business, radio business. If we put that radio, if we put that for Lagos, if we put that for Port Harcourt, go where he will get more clientele, take more money, but he say no. He won't concept of business here. Make it begin give job to our younger ones here. And today right now he's employing a lot of people. He not be member of House of Rep here too. When he become member of House of Rep, as a member when they represent Asiwaju, yes, so like that, for House of Rep for Abuja, you can imagine the kind of leverage you will get. You can imagine the kind of network you will get that time. So it will bring more business and employment opportunities to our people here. Therefore, on that day, I present to you our own.
We thank you for commenting on our videos. Please keep commenting. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for regular updates. Keep watching Juvenis and keep buying Juvenis.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638, or 0808 152 4499, or visit www.juvenis.punux.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.